Oh, hi. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel Naukri Low. I am Devashish Kumar, your host for this channel, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about that how will you give a mock assessment or a mock test for your DCA. This is the same process that how will you give your DCA exam. So I will show you the process. Every steps will be explained in this video. So if you are going to give a mock exam, or if you are going to give the DCA assessment exam, then this video is specially for you, and don't miss this video. Watch this video till the end, don't miss any part, and also share this video to your WhatsApp group of your TCS company. Okay, please share because everybody wants to know about this. Okay, so please share this video. So let's start this video. So today is 19th of May and I got this email. I hope that you also have got this email. I will show this on this screen. Okay, so this email shows you that on the 19th May to the 24th of May you can give the assessment exam. So this is the time, 19th May 2022 to 24th of May 2022. If you got this email, then you can directly go to this link, okay, and you can give this exam, and the link for the mock test is also given here. You can click on this link, and if a lot of problems will be there if you click on this link, that it will say that the page cannot be opened. If this happens with you also, I got a catch-up idea for this. I type this whole link on the link of I type the whole link in the browser. Okay, so after typing the whole link, you can easily type, this is not a big link, you can easily type. After typing the whole link, you will get your authentic key. Each student, each candidate for DCA will have their authentic key. Okay, so you have to give your key only, and if you don't have your key, then you can check your mail. You will receive a mail like this, and if you didn't got this mail, then maybe you are not eligible. Okay, previously a lot of candidates also received this type of email that congratulations on being eligible for Wings 1 May cycle assessment. So if you are eligible, then you will get this mail. Okay, if you have applied for Tslp Wings 1, and if you are eligible, then you will get this mail, and if you have not get this mail, then please wait, maybe you will get it later, or and again search for this mail, the mock assessment mail. If you haven't got that mock assessment mail, then you can also ask the Nomi community. Okay, so this is the thing, and now let's start that how will you give this assessment. Okay, so first of all, when you will type the link or when you will click on the link, you will land on this type of page. So in this type of page, you will be redirected to the metal, okay, metal.com page, and this is the company Metal, who is organizing the test for TCS. Okay, so Metal will take the test, and you will land on this Metal page. At first you have to download the plugins or the extension for Chrome. Okay, basically you can prefer Chrome for this exam. If you don't have Chrome, then it's better to download Chrome browser, and then download the extension to the Chrome. And if you cannot download the extension, then copy this link. Okay, download the extension and again go to the previous page and then start the test. Okay, after starting the test, yeah, I am also sharing the screen. Okay, enable screen sharing. Okay, add to Chrome, and then after add to Chrome, you will go to the previous page and then start, and then what you have to do, you have to share your entire screen. Okay, you will land on this type of page. You will click that yes, share my whole screen. Your screen will be shared to this metal.com website. Okay, now your test will be loading. Okay, your test will be started, and then when the test will be loaded, you will get this type of interface where you have to click on next. Okay, After next, there are a lot of things to remember. You can read all those things. This is the simply that you can also choose to chat window if you have any problem, and if you have any issue and you cannot proceed in the next question, then press 5 F5, sorry, and this will end your test and you can restart your test, and the test will be started from the point of time when the test was ended. Okay, now you will have the 3 steps. The first one is to enter your employee ID. Okay, when you will click on the employee ID, then it will ask for the provide the snapshots. The first snapshot is of your face and the second snapshot is of your ID card. Then after giving all the details, the ID card and the snapshots, you will have this page. In this page you will have to click on start test as usually. Okay, now it will say that your screen will be monitored. Okay, so proceed to the test. Okay, before proceed to the test, you will have you have to drop down that one and you have to check the rules and regulation tab and then proceed to the test. Okay, now there are some of the questions. These are just sample questions. These questions are not going to be asked in the final exam. So there are just 5 questions. It is just for testing that is your machine, your device, your laptop is capable of taking this test or not. You will also know that in that Wi-Fi or the internet speed, in that webcam, in that mic and the camera, will the test will be able to take place in that system or not. Okay, so there will be 5 questions. Mark any on one of these. Yeah, there are some questions like very funny questions. Select the cities from North India was there, and just simple questions were there, and the Tslp assessment. Okay, yeah, you can see these questions. Okay, so in this way you will give the exam and you just get familiar to the interface of this exam, and then you have to click on finish test. After clicking on finish test, they will ask again that do you really want to finish that exam. Click yes, finish the test, and then you will have a feedback portal. Give the feedback if you want. That's not necessary, but give that feedback. Okay, and yeah, this is the steps that how will you give the mock test or how will you give your DCA exam or the T1 assessment exams. So I hope this video helped you a bit also. Then please like this video, share this video to your WhatsApp group, and the next video will be on the timetable or the what are the dates for the exams of your DCA if you have taken T1 or the technical tracks or the DCA exams. Okay, so I hope you will see the next video also. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.